Going on, everyone? JakeOfALL here, and it's right. I'm saying it. I was wrong. I was wrong in the video where I was talking about the stubby, right? And I used these flip sockets. I must have been in the heat way too long because I knew what I was doing. I put this adapter on, right? Just like this. And I took my flip socket and I grabbed the one that I needed. And the flip socket, you have to use this extension, okay? Because you can't get your stubby, right? You can't get this in here. It doesn't work. So you have to use the extension. And then, I know this is true, you have to use an adapter. And every time you add one of these, right, you reduce the amount of torque that you get. And I put this on here, and I did this, right? And I was like, oh, it's not working, okay? And then I put it on this guy, and it still didn't work. And then, for some reason, I thought to myself, use this, right? So you know that the lug nut comes off. But what I meant to do was to take the 21 millimeter, that's just a solid 3/8 socket, right? And use that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my reducer out. I'm gonna turn on my torque wrench. And I'm gonna make sure that this sucker is up here. Right, camera person, show, come here, camera person. 150, it's at 150, okay? I am going to torque this down. And I'm going to make sure that all of these are torqued, right? Okay, now I am going to take the stubby, the M12, I'm going to put the 21 millimeter on, and I'm not going to take them all off because there's weight on the truck and that would be stupid, but I am going to take some off. That quick. Okay, let's put it back on. Okay. Now, I will take the flips, put on the exact same tool, and I'm going to do a different one. It doesn't work. So now, we'll take the 21 millimeter, and I'm going to show you in this video an advantage to the stubby over this. Watch this. I can't get it on straight. The stubby, having this offset handle like this, pushing the battery back, does allow you to get in there a little easier. So I do have to use some kind of extension. Now I don't know if this is going to go ahead and reduce it, but it should be better than the flips. Still takes it off. So there you have it. You guys were right. I was wrong. The flip socket killed the amount of torque that these stubbies have. So if you want to keep one of these in your roadside PACKOUT, you're good to go. Just make sure you either have a breaker bar, or if you use this many reducers, you're going to end up having to use that breaker bar. Otherwise, keep some normal sockets like this one. Works fine, even on the extension with either one of the stubbies. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I'm the JakeOfALL. It's time to lug nut out of here.